it's me Khesyinii here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this vlog is gonna be about me bringing you guys along with me to attend a concert that has invited me. Yep, that's concert that invites certain influencers, and I've been invited to this concert called Return of the Legends, which is technically the returning or comeback of all the legends. For example, like Yogi B, and then Mr. G, Capcut, like all those singers that has been a legend for real. Like I only can remember the Engeyum Epodum. I'm so bad at singing, so I'm not gonna sing. So they have invited me, and I'm going there tomorrow. The concert is tomorrow at 7 PM at Pasir Gudang Stadium, Johor Bahru. This vlog is only gonna come out after that. I hope I will be seeing you guys there, but let's not talk a lot about it because I want to show you guys more about the concert and all that is happening and how is it like to attend an event or a concert as an influencer. So I will be having a hotel. I'll be staying over in a hotel nearby there. So let's start packing because it's tomorrow and I still haven't planned out my outfit for the concert and the after party. I don't know if I'm gonna wear the same outfit or no. But let's just pack. Hola, ¿cómo tale, tale? Ding, 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 ding. Wait, let me put on my lipstick. Okay, that's better. Like a dead body. I'm not wearing any makeup right now. So, I've dressed up. I have makeup here. It's okay. It was because it was the previous... Yesterday I was trying out outfit for today. So, that's where I got stained it. I mean, what's a white cloth with person who wear makeup? What am I all running? Judge me, I have a bun. My hair is like, I just washed it, so I don't want to style it now. I want to style it later. That's why I wear cap on. And yeah, I've already packed everything. It's time to go. I'll bring you guys when I check in. By the way, this is my outfit. Oh, you can't see half of it. So I'm all done. It's time to leave. Just a minimal makeup because it's gonna be hot because it's at the stadium. So let's ciao now because I'm 30 minutes late.
I did it. Then I named them as a lockup. It's a very nice name.
For your information, even before lockup is one of the PR for National Aziz Production Sila Majid, Gurnan. Orang lama. Thank you. Okay lama.
Thank you.
Madhav lockup Ganur.
Hey guys, so it's been a very tiring day after the concert and I'm just back to the hotel. So I'm gonna end up the vlog here right now. I'm gonna get some rest. I'm not sure if there's gonna be an after party. If there is gonna be, I'm gonna attend it just a while and then I'll be back because I'm super tired. So till then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
Make the clown without you. We can make the clown.